Hi folks, Manard Warren, and I wanted to talk about something that most all of you maybe know of. I wonder how many of us are doing it. Let me get right into it. When we have a preset sales appointment, whether it's virtual, whether it's face-to-face, we march right in there, and some of us, we're so excited about talking business and uncovering needs and then applying our solutions that we forget the personal factor. So here's what I'd like to challenge you with, is when you have a preset sales appointment, start that appointment off with a minimum of 4 relationship building questions. Okay? You might be asking yourself, what questions do I ask? Well, it's simple. How long have you worked for your company? Where'd you go to school? Are you from here? How big is your family? How many kids do you have? You know how to ask these questions. It's questions you would ask to a new friend to find out more about them. But there's my challenge for you, and that will change the tone of your meeting. Ask 4 relationship building questions. All of a sudden, this has gone from some stale, mechanistic type of sales appointment to one where it's 2 people that are pretty comfortable with one another, engaging in a sales conversation. It can most definitely help you increase your close ratio. And by the way, if you have any questions about other relationship building questions that you can ask, we actually have a list of 20 that we can send you. All you've got to do is reach out to me and I will send you the PDF of 20 relationship building questions that you can pick from. Choose 4, go with 4, make that sales appointment a little bit more friendly, take the edge off, so to speak. It will help you tremendously. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and share.